time is running out. Please press 1 now to speak to a live representative today to get your entire debt eliminated on your credit card.
Please hold while you are being transferred.
Thank you for responding, Card Services. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good, sir. I'm about to unbox some silver. This is not a must-watch video. Can you help me?
No, sir.
Well, he's not going to watch it, and you don't have to watch it either. This is not a must-watch video as we unbox some silver. Let's explore! That's right, and as I've said, I'm not going to repeat it because there's no reason for me to repeat that this is not a must-watch video. We've got 2 packages here we're going to unbox before your very eyes. One of them from Apmex we're going to get into first. And between these 2 orders, part of my motivation is, well, yeah, I still like silver, and I like to get a little bit of it, especially if it's silver that interests me. And I like to get a little bit of variety whenever I buy silver. And also to complete 2 different collections that have been going on for a number of years now. So very exciting, at least it is for me, maybe not for you. Let's unbox this thing here from Apmex. This is it. All right, very, very good here. And as is always the case, we have a package within a package, and herein lies the silver. So we will begin to unravel this, the mystery of the contents therein, as we pull it apart. And yes, indeed, the chemicals of the package. We have got paperwork we'll set to the side. Let's see the silver. There it is. All right. As is the case, they put their stuff in baggies, and I really would rather they put them in flips. But the first thing we got is my first American Silver Eagle here. And this is a 2021 Silver Eagle. And we will take it out of the case so you can see it here. Uncirculated. These are quite high demand, quite high premium, and that was not lost on me when I made this purchase, but I wanted to fill this cart up so that I can meet the requirements, and this is at a time when we saw a pretty high demand and high premiums, high minimums in order to make the way there. So there that is, a 2021 Silver Eagle. For the price I paid for this, which was, I think, well over $40, it is pretty much pristine. I don't see anything wrong with that at all. I just need to find a flip to put this thing in, but I'll put it back in the baggie for now. Much rather they put those in flips than in these little plastic bags. Seems like that takes a lot more work to do, but I digress. Next we have the Icons of 66. This thing was expensive too. Very hard to come by, the Jackrabbit. So this completes my collection of the Icons of Route 66 shield bars that have been out there from Sunshine Minting and offered exclusively through Apmex. This thing cost me a pretty penny too. Well over $50 for 1 ounce of silver. And it's not even proof. And they were selling for $76 last time I checked. So there is that. So we'll put that aside. In fact, I'm going to actually take this Silver Eagle out and put it in this baggie until I find a flip for it. Next, we have a coin that did come in a flip. Wow. Oh, this is the Icons of 66. The first round, that was the actual round that came out. And sadly, it's not available inside of the case, the custom case that they had made for these, which Apmex actually sent me. But this is pretty cool. Shows all the states, Route 66. And I didn't have this round, but this is several years old now. Get your kicks on Route 66. So pretty cool indeed. There it is. All right. We've got two other pieces here. I think are lovely coins in a new series that have just been released in gold as well. I'm seriously contemplating thinking about it. How's that? And imagine that. Contemplating thinking about something. I love redundancies, as it were. And these are the new series about the Queen. And the attributes of the Queen, I believe, is what it's about. And the first one being the greatest one, victory through harmony. And there's other attributes, I believe, is what that is. That'll be released, I think, 6 in total. But this is a very well-designed, lovely coin indeed. And these lovely figure there. Victory through harmony. Very well done indeed. And this is released through St. Helena is the nation of issue, but I'm not sure which mint produced these. But very well done. Look at the security features in the background of a young queen there. Very, very nice indeed. Very cool. So they make these in gold as well. And I'm seriously considering potentially getting that. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ounces right there. And now we'll move on to the second package from Provident Metals. That's right. We got this here, so let's make our way into this and see what's inside of here. If you're still here, I remind you of the warning I gave at the beginning. This was not a must-watch video, just so you understand. Let's cut into this. You're not seeing that, but I did make the cut. I like it when I make the cut. Cutting away from myself. And down, but not out. There we go. Very nice. Very well packaged by Provident Metals. And in a bubble wrap. Very nice. Unboxing some silver here. Alright, very, very good. Let's see what we've got here. Again, all these things to meet minimum order specifications and the like. For purchases higher at the time. And everything's all taped together here in various different ways. Let's take a look at these. Kind of odd how they did that. First thing here, the 1 ounce bounty. I have the 2 ounce silver and the 1 ounce gold, but didn't have a 1 ounce. Kind of wanted to see what it looked like because the 2 ounce is fairly high relief. So I got the 1 ounce. And I got to say, this is stunning. I love that contrast. There's a little bit of a issue there on the field right there. But other than that, it's a great piece. There's that. Then the final release for the, I forget what this is. Let's see what this is called here. This is the Zwick. The final in the Shipwreck series. There's 4 of these. I thought there were 3, but there's 4. So I got this one as being the final one in that series. So very fortunate to have that. Then I got 2 more of these Phoenix, Republic of Korea Phoenix rounds, which I think are just cool looking pieces. Very lovely. So I got 2 more of those. Very, very nice to have those added to the collection there. 2 more ounces of that. So that's a total of 4 ounces there. Then we have another of the Egyptian God series. This is the, as you've seen before that I reviewed, I haven't purchased one as well. Just a lovely coin here. Osiris. Yes, indeed. Look at that old grumpy man. Very old and grumpy. Yes, indeed. He's coming at you. Look at that. Very high relief. Very, very nice indeed. So there's that. All right. Moving ahead to the final piece. My first piece of COVID silver, folks. Man, very high relief. Very high rim on this son of a biscuit. Look at that. Look at that rim. That thing is poking out like the old elemental thing. That is a very high rim, but high relief. 2020, minted during the COVID-19 pandemic. 2 ounces, 3/9 fine silver. I've not seen these anywhere else other than Provident Metals. And but there it is. Really cool looking. Very nice. Just simple, showing the coronavirus itself. All of us have been touched in one way or another by this virus, so it does make sense that there are pieces minted. I don't want to say honoring it, but representing it and commemorating it. But I kind of don't like that rim is so high on that one side especially. But other than that, it's a pretty cool looking piece. So there you have it. Let me know what your thoughts are about all of this silver, adding to collections and bringing everything together. Let's put it all together so you can see it all together in one fail view here for this not much watch video. Oh, I did get some gold. Let me show you this real quick. I did get a little bit of gold. Yes, indeed. And this is literally what brought me over the edge to get me to the minimum $300 order from Provident at the time. That minimum has been since decreased. And here it is. 1/100th of an ounce of gold. Look at that puppy. Crazy. Scottsdale gold. 1/100th of an ounce of gold. Very, very thin. But indeed, gold indeed. Maybe one day I'll test it. That thing is paper thin. You can take that thing and probably chew it up. That's 4/9 fine gold. This thing it literally does bend. See that? It bends. I'm not going to take it out of there, but it's got the bends. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. You didn't have to watch it, just so you understand. You're here at your own free will. All right. A multitude of gratitude. Keep your feet on the stars. And keep stabbing your gold and silver. Boom, boom. Stab it. Just stab it. Stab it. No, don't stab it. Don't do that. I was just kidding about stabbing your gold and silver.